Jana from Toy Room Adventures, and today I was very crafty and I made a whole bunch of squishies. This is one of them. I made the kissy face emoji. And the big thing, which is the main part of the video, is my homemade vending machine. As you can see, it says turn, so you turn it, and then whatever you see in here will hopefully drop down here, and then you can pick up your prize. And on the back it has the instructions, and it says step 1, put 25 cents into the money slot. 2, turn the handle. 3, grab and enjoy your prize. And we made this out of a shoebox, which means you can make your own at home too. There's no like high-tech things or anything involved in it. You just need a hot glue gun and then some other stuff too. But yeah. So let's do the part that you've all been waiting for. So we're gonna take the 25 cents, put it in, and it looks like it went in good. So let's crank the handle. Let's see our prize. And it looks like we got the Worried Mutant Squishy. Pretty good, eh? Let's have it go in the slime. Whee. Whoa, that makes crazy marks. Did you see that, guys? No. It's great. Let's try something else. Put this quarter in. There you go. And let's try this one. Yeah, it looks like we got the drinking milk squishy, and it is another mutant rare squishy. All the mutant squishies are rare to get out because I don't have a lot of mutant squishies. But the emoji ones are ultra rare because there's only 2 of them. So let's take a look of the back and how it all works. So as you can see, there's 2 pieces of tape holding it. And then there are a few squishies and 1 finger puppet. And it's a really easy contraption, so the cardboard is holding up all of them. And then this is just a water bottle here. I'll take it out. And then as you twist it like this, the prize will fall in. And then as you twist it again, it'll fall out. And also, the money ends up here. Side. And I made a few emojis. And again, these are all homemade. I made them using a sponge and a hot glue gun. Also, I got some slime today. If you want me to do a review on this stuff, then we need to get this video to 10 likes. And if you want to see how to make these squishies, then we have to get 10 comments saying that you want to see it. So, bye! Let's make it fart. By the way, guys, I got this stuff at Michael's for $1.25. This gooey ooey stuff is called Flarp, and I know this has nothing to do with anything in this video, but that doesn't mean I can't show you guys it. So, yeah, this is the best vending machine in the world because it's Hello Kitty. Am I right? Or am I right, people? I have to do this.